Hello, good afternoon. Today I am going to demonstrate to you on how to install Laravel. So first is you are going to install some third-party software na connected sa atong Laravel. Isa na si SAMP. So for me, I have already installed the SAMP because I am using it recently with my other with the other project. And for you to download SAMP, so you're going to search lang nyo, search mo lang yung SAMP. Yan. So, yung first na lalabas dito is, yan lang yung click mo. Then, download SAMP for Windows. So, for me, I have already installed SAMP. So, ito lang yung gagawin mo. After ma-download and you are going to install it, then next ka lang. So, for me, available na si SAMP sa akin. Ayan, running na po siya. So, next ni SAMP is we have the Composer. So, sa Composer, search lang natin. Composer. So, ayan. Ayan, downloads. So, after download, dito ka lang, no? Composer setup.exe. So, si Composer, ay download na din natin. Dito siya. Then, install all users. So, reinstall ko lang. Na-install ko na ito. Install ko na din ito. So, next. Next lang. Next ko lang na-install. So, after install natin si SAMP at si Composer, let's try to check na if working na ba ang atong Composer. So, let's go with the command. Search na natin yung Composer. Ano siya. So, lalabas siya if tapos ka na naka-install ng ating Composer. Okay, so after nito, ay mag-install na tayo ng ating Laravel. So, sa Laravel, search lang natin yung Laravel. So, ito unang lalabas, Laravel. Then, punta tayo kay documentation. Dito. Documentation. Then, let's go with the installation. So, hanapin mo itong link na wait or install. Ito muna, installer. Grabe. So, open muna tayo ng editing natin. So, ginagamit ko ay Visual Code or VS Code. So, let's create a new folder. Lagay na natin sa download. No? New folder. Laravel project. So, save natin itong folder nito. Okay, so, ganyan. So, naka-open na ang folder. Laravel. Next is mag-run tayo sa kanyang terminal. No? So, click natin ang terminal, new terminal. Then, narito na tayo sa terminal. So, Laravel project terminal download. So, ito yung ating path. So, punta tayo ulit sa Laravel. Copy natin ito. Composer, global, ito, Laravel installer. So, copy. Then, paste naman natin siya dito. Yeah. Cannot use Laravel installer latest version. So, mag-switch siya into security. So, siguro ito na-conflict na ito kasi na-install ko na din itong Laravel kanina. Then, let's create na lang tayo ng application. So, Laravel nyo, dito sa baba lang yung installer, copy natin. Sample app. So, yan na. So, hintayin na natin na matapos yung ano, pag-create niya ng ating. So, dito sa makikita mo sa ating Laravel, may naragdag na example app na folder. So, ayan. So, install na po yan lahat. Hintayin na natin. Smooth yan. Load back na. Sige, kaya pa yun. Sige, kaya pa yun. Yung percent, 60%, 70, 25. Okay, so our application case set successfully. So, successful natin na. Then, let's check natin kanyang, so, natin natin sa folder, andyan na lahat na gagamitin natin for our ating sa ating Laravel project. So, let's check Laravel, PHP Artisan, sorry. Ano to, paid by, ano to? CD. CD, example, ah, tapos PHP Artisan, sorry.